Hello, in this JavaScript video I am going to show you functions. So we've already technically done one, and it's the constructor. So this is just a basic function that is called by default when you create a new object of that particular class. So to create any other function, unlike outside of classes, you don't use the keyword function and you just put the name of your function. So I'm going to say epic func, open close bracket, curly braces, and that's it. So if we put some code in here, let's say if we do a console.log, I'm going to say this is an epic function. And to actually use this function, we can just do this with car obj dot epic fun. I'll put epic fun instead of epic fun. It doesn't matter. Okay, for reload, it says this is an epic function, and obviously I can call it on the car obj2. Obviously at the moment it doesn't actually do anything different. Unlike any other variable, any other method, you can actually pass in parameters as well. So if you don't know how to do that, feel free to take a look at the regular functions video. Once you know, feel free to come back and experiment. As an extra task, what I want you to do is do two more functions. One that, let's say, takes in two values, multiplies them together and does a console log, or even returns the value. That's totally up to you. The other thing what I want you to do is have a function that merely utilizes these values in some way. So to access the x and y variables from this class, within the class, you just make sure you put this.x and this.y anywhere that you need them. Maybe add them together, maybe print them out in a slightly different format. But that is it for functions in classes. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.